This is the Samsung Galaxy S9. It's just launched, and as you can tell, it looks a lot like its predecessor, the S8. That's not a bad thing. There are two models. There's this one, this is the standard S9. It's got a 5.8-inch screen, but then there's a larger model, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which has a 6.2-inch screen. So the most noticeable physical change is the reposition of the fingerprint scanner. So it's in a more natural place than it was on the S8. In fact, on the S8 it was the worst feature of the phone. It was small, it was hard to reach, and it was easy to mistake for the camera lens. Here, it's a lot better. You can just reach out, pick it out straight away. One of the more interesting features on the new phone is its new rear camera. It's got something called dual aperture, which means it automatically adjusts to different light settings. So you could be in a dark room and it should take great shots, and then you can leave, go into bright sunlight, and it should take equally great shots. It can also record pretty spectacular looking super slow-mo videos, which you can then send as GIFs or set as your lock screen background. AR emoji are sort of like Samsung's answer to Apple's strange Animoji. The S9 will use a picture of your face to build an emoji that's supposed to look like you. Through the camera, that emoji will then copy your facial expressions, and you can send the results to your friends for a bit of a laugh. It's also got an iris scanner, a headphone jack, wireless charging, and expandable storage. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S9. You expect to see it in the shops in March 2018.